was only $89. I like that Pleasure Way. Ooh, look at that one. J. Cole. Oh, that came out. That one come out. Ooh, this one come out too. Comes out, guys. Okay, let's look at this 89 one. Oh, this one not open. That one is like, ooh, let's go look at that one. It's like an army truck. Ooh, this is nice. Hey, where's the bathroom? I guess one of these is the bathroom. It's the room, probably. This the bedroom. This is the bedroom, probably. I got a TV right here. TV. And this is how I look from right here. Got a sink. No stove. A microwave. Oh, yeah, this is the bathroom. At least the toilet is separate from the shower. Or no? I don't know. Probably not. It's probably all together. Pretty tight in here. Yeah, this one's pretty tight. Here's the sink. And this one only have a microwave. Alright. Yeah, that one that was $49. I think it was this one or that one. He said it's a 2018. I think it was that one. Yeah, he said it's a 2018, so that's not bad. But he said most of these over here is like $200 and $300. Wow. But I want to look at them. Now, if it was me and my husband, we would probably have to get one of these size. But just me, like that one for $49. Like that color. Let's go in here. I don't know. I'll probably have a hard time getting up here. They got these $200 and $300 one locked. They only got these little cheap things open. This is a nice one. They got that top come out. Ooh, ooh. Nice. This one was open. Ooh, this one got, what, a 3 or 4 burner. Wow, look at up there. I bet you this one probably $300. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. Nice. They have a big, this is like a normal sink. That's like a normal sink. Then they have a 3-eye oven. Wow, oven. Big microwave. Wow. This is really nice one. The couch. Wow. And over here, windows. Cabinet space up there. Wow. Wow. Then over here, the refrigerator. Look at the refrigerator. I pressed it. I don't know. I can't get this open. Look at the big cabinet space. This is a big bed. Ain't got no. Oh, there go the TV. And here goes the bathroom. Wow, pretty big. Pretty big bathroom. Yeah, pretty big. Toilet. Sink. Then they got a window. Yeah, they got a pretty big bathroom in here. Probably 2 of us can get in here. I could be showering while he on the toilet. The sink. Then the toilet. Pretty big. Vent. Cabinet space. What's over there? The remote for the TV and stuff. Yeah, this would do. One of us get the front and one of us get the roof. Then we can eat dinner. Yep. Pretty big bedroom. Pretty big bedroom. Refrigerator. Yep. Stove. I like that stove with the oven. Don't say how much this is. They should put in here how much they are. And I like that. I don't know what that's for. Your luggage? I don't know. And that's how that look over there. It's hot in here, guys. Push the light. I am hot. It's almost 100 degrees here. Okay. Hey, girl. Yeah, I can, because this part is slow. I can try this one. Okay, yeah, this is a pretty nice big one. I like this one. Yep. I don't know how much it is. I don't see no price. So, oh, what's this? Oh my God. $217. $217, guys. That's a shame how much stuff done went up. My house wasn't even on $217. And they want $217 for these things. Oh my God. Oh, don't want to see the gas bill. Okay, guys. Next.